Hi, my name is David King, and I am the owner of Mr. King's Gumball Machine Company. And as you can see behind me is one of my machines, and I can explain a little bit about the machine, which it has a high-impact durable fiberglass body, top quality all-metal coin mechanism by Beaver. The height is 4 feet 10 inches. The diameter base is 20 inches, and the globe size is 18 inches, which has a capacity to hold up to 3,400 gumballs. And the machine comes in red, green, yellow, blue, and of course some other colors. I'll show you exactly how that machine operates. Oh, that's bum, 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 bum. Hi, my name is David King, and I am the owner and operator of Mr. King's Gumball Machine Company. God. Oh, I would sure love to have a gumball. Yeah.